If you're looking for something that tastes like cinnamon rolls or cinnamon donuts, you should try my very own cassava rolls recipe. It's got the same cakey cinnamon flavor. It's gluten-free and they are more fulfilling. Use 2.5 quarts of water to boil about 2 pounds of frozen cassava in my 4-quart stock pot. It takes about 20 minutes for cassava to cook completely. I left mine on for an extra 5 minutes to help soften them even more for an easier mashing. I think the only hard part in this recipe is plucking out the roots. They are easy to find using a fork. I just pull a piece in half and poke and twist at the center with my fork. If there's roots, the fork will shove them out as it rotates. After I remove the roots, I begin to add the other ingredients. I'm using a 1/2 tablespoon to get 2 scoops of plant butter. Then I shake out about a 1/2 teaspoon of salt and spread it around with my fork. I continue mashing through with a potato masher. As I'm mashing, I add in the cinnamon, the brown sugar, and the plant milk. I'm using regular soy milk. I want to keep mashing until it's all combined and a little smoother, like a bread dough texture. Then I let it rest and prepare my coconut glaze. If you like this video, please don't forget to click the like button, and if you want to watch more upcoming videos, please also subscribe to our channel. For this coconut glaze, I'm just using a little bit of vanilla, a little bit of maple syrup, and I'm just combining them with the coconut milk in a small saucepan and letting it simmer for about 5 minutes. It will begin to simmer after about 5 minutes, so I remove it after a few seconds of stirring so it doesn't burn or turn into oil. Then I get some parchment paper and line a pan or a tray to set my cassava rolls on. There isn't any oil on the parchment paper, but I used oil on the tray to try to stick the parchment paper flat onto the tray. And as I'm rolling, my hands get really sticky, so it helps to keep your hands wet or rub some oil on. And finally, I can pour my coconut glaze all over. These cassava rolls also taste good without the coconut glaze. And they kind of remind me of cinnamon flavored conchas, or like a cinnamon donut flavor. They're really good. My family loves them, and I hope you will love them and enjoy them with your family. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy.